Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Mohammad Rafe and you are watching Tech Studio. Today we are going to review and unbox Prism 120 Argb fan kit. First of all, thanks to the Pak Dukan and Antec for making this video possible. Pak Dukan is a site where you can buy your PC components and peripherals in cheap rate. I am mentioning their link down below into the description. Do visit them. So let's start the unboxing. Well, this is the box for the Prism 120 Argb fans. Let's open it. This is a booklet for the Prism Argb. Well, in the box you can see there is 3 RGB PWM fans and 2 LED strips and 1 fan controller box. Let's see the fan first. Very nice build. Here you can see there are 2 RGB rings on the fan on the both sides. Here are some screws that you can use to connect the fan with the casing. This is the Argb signal connector. That's a full LED strip. It's black in color. I loved about it. And this is a Argb 3-pin connector as well. Let's open the fan controller. This is an instruction manual for the fan controller. This is a connector only for the gigabyte motherboards. And this is 3-pin Argb signal connector, and this one you can use as a PWM signal connector. This is the fan controller in which you can connect your 5 fans and RGB strips. Well, coming to the fans, the overall feel of the fans are really great. These are made up of plastic with having anti-shock absorbent pads on the 4 sides of the fan with dual RGB rings on the both sides of the fan. These have 2 connectors, one for the functionality of the RGBs and other for controlling the speed of fan. Well, these fans produce the maximum speed of 2000 RPM and also produce the maximum noise level of 32 decibel. Well, these kits contain 2 RGB strips in them, which is totally waterproof and have a RGB functionality connector. This is 40 cm long. Well, moving to the fan controller, the fan controller have 2 buttons, one for controlling the RGB modes and other is for controlling the fan speed, and have 5 connections on the both sides. One side is for the PWM connections and other side is for the RGB connection. Well, the overall Prism Argb kit is really great and available in the market in very good rates. Moreover, I am going to do a full build with all of these components Antec sent me, which I will be making video for YouTube and uploading really soon. For that video, stay tuned and do share, like and mention your thoughts into the comments for this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.